Ever wished you could get all of your NFTs into one single, simple spot? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to import any NFT directly into your Xova wallet. Let's dive right in.
So, let me ask you this. Do you have awesome NFTs kind of scattered all over the place? Different wallets, different marketplaces? Yeah, it can be a real pain to keep track of everything, and honestly, it's not the most secure way to do things. So the big question is, are you ready to finally bring them all together? And that right there is what Xova Wallet is all about. It's designed from the ground up to be that one unified home for all your crypto, especially those prized NFTs. Think of it like your own personal art gallery right in your pocket. Super secure, super organized. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty of the import process itself, let's run through a super quick pre-import checklist. And don't worry, this is going to be easy. You only need a couple of things. All you need are two little pieces of info, the NFT contract address and the token ID. The token ID, that's just the unique number for your specific NFT in its collection. Just have those two things copied or written down somewhere and you're good to go.
So, you might be thinking, what in the world is a contract address? The best way to think about it is like a street address for the entire NFT collection on the blockchain. It tells your wallet exactly where to go to find your digital art. Simple as that.
All right, checklist is done. Now for the fun part, the actual step-by-step guide. Let's get your NFT imported and settled into its new home. It'll just take a few quick taps, I promise. You know, the whole thing really just boils down to three simple stages. First, we'll get to the right screen. Second, we'll pop in those details we just talked about. And third, we'll hit confirm. That's literally it. Okay, go ahead and open up your Xova wallet. First thing you're going to do is tap on Wallet right there in the bottom menu. You'll see an option that says Import NFT. Go ahead and give that a tap. Now, this next screen is where the magic happens. This is where you'll use that info from our checklist. First, make sure you select the correct network that your NFT lives on. Then, just paste in the contract address and type in the token ID.
Once you've got those details plugged in, you are basically at the finish line. The only thing left to do is tap that big Import NFT button at the bottom of the screen.
And just like that, it's done. Your NFT has officially been imported. It's now safe and sound right where it belongs. Let's take a look at the result.
Success! That's it. Your NFT is now sitting safely inside your wallet. See? No crazy long wait times, no complicated steps. It's really that fast.
And here is the best part. Your awesome NFT is now securely inside your Xova wallet, which means you can view it, manage it, and just, admire your whole collection all together in one beautiful, organized place.
So now that you see just how ridiculously easy it is to bring your whole collection together, there's really only one question left. What are you going to import next?